Xfinity Home Security uses a combination of the Xfinity Home Hub, wireless keypads, and a mobile app for time management. The hub acts as the central device, receiving and broadcasting time data, while the keypad mainly displays the time. Most time adjustments are handled through the Xfinity Home app due to its enhanced features and user-friendly interface. The system primarily relies on automatic synchronization via Network Time Protocol (NTP) to ensure accurate timekeeping. Manual changes are typically needed for daylight saving time, DST adjustments, or when relocating to a different time zone. As of November 2025, the Xfinity system now automatically detects and adjusts for daylight saving time, DST, in most U.S. regions. This reduces manual interventions and is all done via the mobile app. To change the time or time zone on your Xfinity Home Security system, you'll primarily use the mobile app. First, log into the Xfinity Home app. Select your hub from the devices list. Navigate to Settings, then General, and finally Time and Date. From here, you can adjust the time zone or enable/disable DST Auto Adjust. Save your changes, and they will sync wirelessly to the hub and keypad within minutes. Note that changes require account verification to prevent unauthorized tampering. While the keypad displays the time, it doesn't allow direct edits. The app is the main tool for making these adjustments. For voice-activated commands to change the time, use devices like Amazon Echo or Google Nest, for example. Alexa, set Xfinity Hub to Eastern Time.